Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to share a review on this amazing makeup brush set, which is from Swiss Beauty Professional Face and Eye Brush Set, made for specially professional makeup. And I purchased this product from Flipkart. You can also buy it from Amazon, Nykaa, Purple and their website. So first I picked up the foundation brush from the set. This is an amazing foundation brush which has fluffy feather-like applicator and flat top. Using this brush, you can easily apply foundation on your full face and smoothly blend it up, which gives you a smooth, flawless, natural skin-like finish. You can also use this brush as a contour brush. So this brush done his job very well. Now I picked up the concealer brush for conceal my under eye and mouth area part, which has a flat and round top bristles. This brush is also helpful for concealing. You can smoothly apply concealer under your eyes and mouth area where you have dark circle pigmentation, pimple scars on your face. Next I picked up this bigger fluffy one, which is my favorite compact brush, which is a big fluffy round top, and you can see they mention the name on each brush, which is really helpful to us. Using this brush you can take smaller amount of product for your face and you can complete your base makeup using the smaller amount of products. And wait, another tips for you. You can use this brush as a blush brush to take smaller amount of blush for your smiley cheeks. After blushing my cheeks, I apply eyeshadows for my eyes. I take these two brushes from this range. These two brushes are specially for eyeshadow purpose. One is a eyeshadow application brush. You can smoothly apply any eyeshadow color on your eyes and it gives you super pigmentation on your eyes. I totally love this brush. And this one is the eyeshadow blending brush. And friends, how I tell you the feelings. Oh my god, this is super blendable, you know. After 2 to 3 strokes of blending, this done the job very well. After that, I picked up this last 2-in-1 brush. And this one brush done little tucks for your face. One side is for highlighting purpose and other side is for mascara purpose. So do one thing, here I do my eyebrow fillings using the highlighting brush. This brush is a flat angle type of brush. Using this brush you can easily fill your eyebrows. After that I use mascara for my lashes using this mascara brush. Also you can comb your eyebrows for professional finish. So here I am done with my makeup. So this Swiss Beauty Professional brushes set done really an amazing job for me. You can see my makeup is really flawless and smooth finish. This brushes set completed my makeup really well. I am fully satisfied with this brushes set. Now the price of this brushes set is $730. The original price is $850, but you can buy it from Flipkart for amazing deals and offers. So friends, thanks for watching. Like my videos, subscribe to my channel.